Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. I've got Randy, who found me on YouTube. Lives in, where do you live?
Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Tulsa, all the way from Tulsa, Oklahoma. Although you were here to see family.
Yep.
But he got an iMemories box, and you've been
$16 box.
$16 box, and then you've been trying to do this yourself.
Yes, I started doing it myself and couldn't work it out. Started YouTubing it. Found you guys on YouTube, and this is where I got to go.
And he also got the...
So I brought it with me, knowing that I'm going to be in the area, and I'm going to drop them off. So.
Brilliant. And then, so you went through iMemories, and then why did you decide to go through me?
I started seeing different things about iMemories. They're going to charge you for every tape, and I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to get a good job done, and something I thought was honest. If they weren't good, I didn't get charged for it. So,
yeah.
And it's for me, it's worth the money to make sure you got your memories intact.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, and also, none of these companies are monitoring anything. They just put them on decks and they just walk away and it goes to crap and they're like, oh, your tape's gone to crap. Versus, just like with you, with your camcorder, having problems with them.
Yep.
Buying more camcorders, cleaning tapes, all that stuff, and just having it where it's done right here. And I've been doing this for 20 years.
It's not going to be worth it to try to do it yourself.
Yeah, and also the other thing is the staffing situation, because the people don't realize that the people that are working at these big companies, they were working at Taco Bell and Starbucks like a week ago. And now they're in charge of your home movies, and and they're like, oh, it won't work, and they don't know anything about it. I mean, just look at all these cameras back here. Anyway, so thanks for coming in.
I'm looking forward to the final product.
Yeah,
So.
all right. Cheers.